Hello friend, in this video I will tell you how to install the sideloader. As sideloader, what is sideloader? Sideloader, many of us know that you want to install the apps in the iPhone that is not present in the iOS App Store, or you want to install it from the external source. So there's the sideloader. So first of all, this is the sideloader. Okay, so this you can install any sideloader iOS or any app by this website, and by this app you can download it, get sign that are okay. So this is the easy web, so it's give you a free trials, and after that you have to pay it. Okay, but for the first, if you want to install any app, so just install this, because for the first day it give you trials and no charges and nothing will ask from you, and you can install unlimited apps as you wanted. Okay, now you can see there's the apps I have already installed. From this app you can see here the app, this is already installed app. Okay, so you can install any app as you want, any sideloader app from any IPA file you can install it easily. The next thing you can see here, well, what will be the next thing that you can install. So you have to install this app, install this website is best for you to side loader as a side loader and work best for you. Okay, so that's awesome. And if you want the next, I will show you the next. Okay, so this app you can see, this is the unlimited app. So if your trials become, if your trials is ended, so you can use it again by reinstalling, etc. Okay, so this is so simple for you. Okay, if you don't want this, you can use the other app which I will show you also. Okay, I showed you that this is easy for you. Okay, so first you have to try this. If this don't work, so for that purpose you have to move on the next app. There is, I have installed already this app, you can see it easily. Okay, so this will work for you if any IPA file, if anything, if the Scarlet don't work in your phone, if the other app loader don't work in your iPhone, so this will help you. Okay, and if these don't, if even these don't help you, okay, so what can you do? You have to use the next app, the next IPA loader or the app loader. So what is that? Okay, so for that purpose you have to, if this is not working, otherwise if this is working you have to use it smoothly. If this is not working well in your phone, so, and if your limit is become crossed, so you have to use the next is, I showed you, is the side store. Okay, so the side store is best for you. You have to install, you have to use this, and after using this you can't easily you can use easily it. Okay, so this is the best for you, so you have to try this. If this don't work, it will work for you any app you want. Okay, so thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.